Hello beautiful people, you're welcome to this YouTube channel, and today we shall be making a group of several fruits.
With the sun, morning light has just begun. Feel the warmth upon my face. Start the day with gentle.
We shall begin with cutting our pineapple.
Birds are singing by my side. Nature's song, a perfect guide. Sip my coffee, feel the breeze.
Hi guys, so today and the bananas. As you can see, it's going to be a mixture of fruits. So we have carrots, we have apples, we have tangerines, we have watermelon, we have kiwis, we have grapes.
Walk through fields of green and gold, memories from days of old. In the quiet find my peace, morning light my soul's release. Birds are still, leaves dance on air. In this moment life feels rare. Gentle whispers in the trees, morning light on the breeze.
Start by cutting piece by piece. I don't normally remove the covers from the oranges. They contain a lot of vitamins.
Morning light heals my heart.
Begin with making everything separately, and then we shall keep on mixing them in one bowl. By doing this, it will help you to have everything in one container. And to have your fruits mixed up. We shall begin with cutting our watermelon. So far this has been our biggest watermelon in Belgium. Get watermelons from other countries, but they have never been the same. Sometimes they are big, sometimes they are small, but they're always nice and I always like them.
Days of old, in the quiet find my peace, morning light my soul's release. Birds are still, leaves dance on air. In this moment life feels rare. Gentle whispers in the trees, morning light on a breeze. Morning light so soft and bright, fills my heart.
There everything was ready, and I'll be preparing to mix them up and do each and every fruit separately. I first clean them, and after cleaning them I put them to dry, and then I start sorting them. Prepare the watermelon separately from other fruits. On top of other fruits, they will disappear in a separate bowl which is a bit bigger and spacious. So that will help me to have everything put together. Instead of buying ice cream for children, this can be a replacement of the sugars. You can just make them, mix it up, and put the liquid in the freezer in a container. You can do small portions with sticks which they can hold and suckle on, or you yourself, if you want to have one, instead of yogurt or milk or dairies or sugar, you have your body still happy, and yourself you'll be happy because you're not starving yourself from the natural sugars.
And gold, memories
for your weight control and for your body to keep physically fit.
Birds are still, leaves dance on air. In this moment life feels rare. Gentle whispers in the trees, morning light on the breeze.
Use a hand mixer to help me mix up the watermelon. When the watermelon is ready, I pack it in a container and I place it in the freezer for some time.
Brand new start, morning light heals my heart.
This video where I'll be cleaning the spoons or my cutlery. I'll put